Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here, now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection if you never look in the mirror?
Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl again, Elizabeth, and I'm here with another video. And in today's video I'll be taking you through how I clean my kitchen appliances, which will include the oven and the fridge. So here what I'm doing is that I'm spraying Mr. Muscles. It's an oven cleaner, so I'm just gonna spray the spray, and then I'm gonna leave it to rest for an hour or so and a half, and then I'll come back and all the dirt, all the grease will have softened out, and it will be. So this here is the situation of my my fridge. It's not giving me life at all. It's dirty, so I want to just go clean it up, remove whatever needs to be thrown. Yeah, so stick around and watch. So my oven is still melting, so if you can see, it has melted quite nicely, and you can see it has melted from here. All the dirt has fallen off. So I'm gonna do the fridge before this. So I started off by removing all the things we had in the fridge, so I could make sure I went deep inside and give it a thorough cleaning.
Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause it's not enough. 'Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's 'cause I'm not enough.
As I was cleaning the outer space of the fridge, I encountered some stain that could not go off with the normal spray I was using, so I had to use the stain remover safe, and that's what I was doing here, and it worked perfectly.
Maybe it's not enough, baby, I don't wanna lose you after all that we've been through. If you could change my mind, I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me.
Since as my fridge is now sparkling clean, I went ahead and started washing this inner equipment. So here I was just carefully cleaning them.
Do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me. I would do it in a heartbeat. That's if you really love me.
Wondering how to make a play all night, looking your way from out of sight, thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light, so damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. Your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You the city, how'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
So this is how my fridge was looking like after all the cleaning, arranging, and actually finally putting things back together. So as I'm editing this, my son is here, so please don't mind him.
Somebody like me, when you ask my name, I panic. So what am I leaving? Anybody was
So I'm gonna just use a sponge to remove the dirt. First, start with this one.
before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.
So at this point, my cooker was looking so black new, was looking so clean. Looked like someone can just eat from there. It was looking so amazing, and I was so happy, so happy with the result. And yeah, I'll be doing this actually every month to remove all the dirt.
I'm confused. Internet's gone loose, so time is through. Making love with you, so I'ma sit and just lay in my bed with the fries in my hand, getting stuck to the race with you. For a sleeping cruise, no. Stress is getting just a little bit lower. Mine's getting just a little bit closer. Find somebody in my life that can make it for. I'll be lost, I'll be found in the broken. Way out in the crowd, feeling open. Find somebody in my life that can make it for. That one's
You like everything looks so good. All the black stains that were all over here are gone. So this is like an hack I learned, like once in a while, like once in a month, just spray the oven spray, leave it for an hour or so, come back and your oven is looking, and your cooker is looking clean. You don't have, and then the thing is that don't use a steel wire here to wash your oven. Never. So since you have stains and the only thing you think about is, oh, I need to scrub it to remove it. No, don't do that. Don't do that. So just use the detergent and it'll give you an amazing job. And now let's head to the oven that is looking somehow. Oh, this is where the work is. So let's get started. So guys, this was my first time ever cleaning a gas oven. I have lived in houses where they have electric cookers, but this was my first time using a gas cooker, and I never knew that you have to unscrew anything, because before you just take it out, now you have here to unscrew, use screwdriver to unscrew so many things. And I was so surprised, but yeah, it's an experience, so I'm ready to run.
It's me times.
So I went ahead and started the main thing, you know, the scrubbing. It wasn't easy because even after leaving the oven cleaner for so long, for an hour plus, it still didn't melt the whole grease, mostly on the mirror side. So I had to use an extra energy to actually scrub that thing out. So this was me looking for a screwdriver to unscrew the mirror that I never knew you needed a screwdriver for. So I was quite surprised, but then we're doing it. So I was just unscrewing the both sides so I can be able to get in and clean the mirror from the inside outside.
Ooh, and I swear I proved all the ways I'm here. Got my drink and trying to get what to do, yeah. I better fake it, yeah, we can work together till we make it. Better take a life like we're running out of patience. My mind's gone out way too far. Yeah, I'm not right, but I'm here. I better fake it, yeah, we can work together till we make it. Better take a life like we're running out of pages. I know that times have been hard, but that's alright, cause we found out. Stress is getting just a little bit lower. Mine's getting just a little bit closer. Find somebody in my life that can make it for. I'll be lost, I'll be found in the broken. Way out in the crowd, feeling open. Find somebody in my life that can make it for. That one's just me times two.
So when I was done cleaning the oven, I went ahead and started cleaning the inside the oven appliances. and he was just scrubbing. This one took so long, like it was so greased, so it took more time to clean. I was so tired, but then when you start something you can't just stop it, because I felt like I should just leave everything now and just pretend I did not start cleaning this thing before, but I had to just finish.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking for the better days, seem like they just stay away whenever I try. There's so many things that I keep in my mind. My friends keep me out and it hurts every time. With all the emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line.Maybe I should not give up without a fight, 'cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh.
So after I finished cleaning the inside appliances, I went ahead to dry them so I can be able to put them back in the oven and call it a day.
There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try?
Oh my, take a look at that oven. Oh my god, it was so clean. I felt like, oh my god, we're not cooking in this house again. We're not using the oven to cook again, because who's gonna come and clean it again? So it felt like I should just preserve it. Preserve it for, I don't know for what, but it was so clean. But I know in a couple of weeks it will be dirty again, but yeah, that's life. And the cook also was looking so clean and everything was looking so new. I was happy with the result, and I hope you liked this video, and I hope you liked the video. So please remember to subscribe, remember to like and share and comment. Thank you.
'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies, when there's so many things that I keep in my mind. I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream.
So guys, allow me to end this vlog here. Today has been a very hectic day, like seriously, I'm so tired. Like Saturdays is usually like a clean day. We just go in by cleaning the house. So we did that before I came and started doing the microwave and the fridge and everything. So I'm super exhausted. I'm so hungry right now. I've only eaten breakfast and I'm super hungry. So I was supposed to watch this also, but the thing is I didn't find a container not a container, like a soda bottle to put the oil. So I can't throw the oil in the sink, so I couldn't do it. So next time, next one. So guys, please remember to subscribe. Those that are watching without subscribing, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in my next one, which will be have been making pepper soup, so he's gonna make pepper soup today. And yeah, I hope I'm gonna be able to video that. It's gonna be like an evening routine pepper soup making.
Ain't nobody here, but I see the light from far away. It's down the line. Maybe I should not.